2023 is now happening from the 19th to the 25th of January. We are coming back after 4 years of COVID block which we have taken. We are very happy to say that we have close to about 991 participants from 23 countries, and we are expecting close to about a lakh of people who will be coming into this show for the next 5 to 6 days. Two of the most important things is we have very international delegates who are coming in for the Connect show particularly, and the two of the important events which we have been doing this year, one would be what is called as an iConnect, where we're trying to get in students to feel the machine tool industry, and also we're having sort of a buyer seller meet where we're having delegates coming from close to about 16 countries for this particular show.